They're never trying to get back to their neighborhood. Seventh grade? It's eight on my way to their houses. Every weekend.
I don't know, 2, 3, 4 people and 45 minutes.
Today is day 28 of my October vlog. Finished yoga with the senior girlies. I really needed that. I felt super tight and I really needed to stretch. I'm tired, y'all. I'm so tired. I want to get back in the house because I got things to do there, like meal prep. I need to wash clothes and I'm starving. So let's go. So it's not extremely cold outside, but it's cold enough to have on like a coat. But we're meal prepping my protein on the grill because it's the best thing ever. Actually tastes better, super easy, super fast, and convenient. We have wings, we have chicken breasts, and over here we have chicken thighs. And I have a coat on. Dedicated, okay?